JAC of Lilong killing incidents, and Manipur government has signed a member of understanding and decided to take the bodies to perform their last rites. The agreement has signed after through discussion with executive members of JAC and Chief Minister of Manipur at CM Secretariat today. After an MOU has been signed, an assurance given by the Chief Minister and his Council of Ministers. Speaking to media persons at the gate of CM Secretariat, convener of the JAC MD Habibullah said the JAC has decided to take dead bodies for their last rites after the Chief Minister of Manipur has assured them. He further said Chief Minister assured that an SIT has to be formed to investigate the incidents and book the culprits according to law of the land. Besides ex gratia of rupees 10 lakh each for who demised on the incident, rupees 2 lakh each for major injury and rupees 1 lakh each for minor injuries are to be given. He further said the memorandum of understanding also agreed to creation of Lilong police station and opening a new police outpost in between Lilong and Samuro. Therefore, the agitation to be launched has been withdrawn, he added.
Matam mamada waithauda khoi gang rep tawkiba matamda chenakhiba maitai pangal ahumbu khoi prajana sinnaraga makhoibu capital punishment pibada khoina makhoi gidamakta support tawkiba adum laba group amakhakhtangni community group amakhakhtangni haibase masu kaudaba phai haina JC ke maikai di hangjari aduga khoi makhata basi ngasi khoi JC na hana ngarangi meeting da haijakhiba khoi gi karigumba Yanataba government Lakutara, Koi, top education Togani, Koi, have the Amata Todara Roy, Koi, Duenamak, Sarkariana, Procre, Adu, Lebak, Prazamiam, Nangasiki, Yana, Kribas, the Apian, and the Punamot Hadok Minaraga, Quenum Chitana, Himinarasi, Hibo from